Welcome everybody. So this is the Sun Salutations, just a basic practice, and what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be modifying upwards. So we'll start off with a gentle approach to it, and then we'll slowly increase, adding in extra subtle movements to the legs particularly. So if at any point it feels too much, then you just stay with the previous movement rather than creating something that's too deep for your body. So we'll start standing. Bring the hands into Namaste. Inhale, sweep the arms up. As you exhale, soften the knees, fold forwards. Step back on the right leg, let's drop the knee. Inhale, look up. So the look up is important, so you can really get some energy into the top of the chest area and the throat. This is a breath in. Breathing out, come into down dog, bend the knees. Drop the knees. Inhale, cat. Exhale, back into down dog. Drop the knees, step the right leg through, breath in. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands come down. Inhale, sweep the arms all the way up. Exhale, forward fold. Step back on the left leg, drop the knee, lift the gaze, breathe in. Breathe out, down dog with the knees bent. Drop the knees, inhale, look up. Exhale, push back into down dog. Inhale, drop the knees, step the left leg through, look up. Exhale, forward fold, knees soft. Inhale all the way up. Exhale. So as we're adding in, stay with the previous movement if that's enough for your body. Inhale. Exhale, knees stay soft still. Step back on the right leg, drop the knee, lift the gaze. Exhale, down dog, straighten the legs. Inhale, drop the knees, sweep through. Into cobra. Exhale, down dog. Drop the left knee, step the right leg through. Breathe in. Breathe out, forward fold. Breathe in, come all the way up. Breathe out. Breathe in, sweep the arms all the way up. Breathe out, forward fold. Back on the left leg, drop the knee, lift the gaze. Breathe in. Breathe out, down dog, legs are straighter. Drop the knees, sweeping through, breathing in. Breathing out, down dog. Drop the right knee, bring the left leg through, breathe in. Breathe out, forward fold. Breathe in, sweep the arms all the way up. Breathe out. And now we're going to add in a bigger stretch for the legs. Again, be cautious, stay with the previous round if you prefer. Breathe in. Breathe out. Straighter legs as you forward fold. Step back on the right leg, keep the knee off the floor, breathe in. Breathe out, down dog. Breathe in, drop the knees, sweeping through. Breathe out, down dog. Step the right leg straight through to the front. Breathe in. Breathe out, forward fold. Breathe in, sweep the arms all the way up. Breathe out. Breathe in, sweep the arms up. Breathe out, forward fold. Step back on the left leg, keep the knee off the floor. Breathe in. Breathe out, down dog. Drop the knees, sweeping through as you breathe in. Exhale, down dog. Step the left leg straight through, breathe in. Breathe out, forward fold. Breathe in all the way out. Breathe out. Just keep the hands at the heart space. Just concentrating inwards, noticing the effect of the practice on the physical body, but also the energetic body, that inner landscape that whirls the energy. And namaste. So thank you for joining me. So you can see this is just a short sequence, really just breaking down the sun salute. So you can see how you can just go from a simpler movement all the way up to a much bigger movement. Take your time, don't rush it. Make sure your body feels comfortable, so listen to your body. It's incredibly intelligent, our body, so listen to, it's talking to you all the time. If something doesn't feel right, it isn't. So go slowly, check in on your body each time you do a round and slowly build it up so you're doing the full practice. So don't forget to like, subscribe, ding the bell, share to people so that I can continue to provide these videos for you all. Bye.